charter school friends. So this is Mrs. Doan here, and for those that missed our weekly Zoom meetings, I wanted to go ahead and show you what I showed everyone else, and those that I've already demonstrated this to. This is just a good resource in case you forget. So what I'm going to show you is how you can actually put in your answers for when I give you bookwork. So, for example, this assignment, I make y'all what. Now, if you want to go and fill in these answers, that's awesome. More power to you. Highly encourage it, but do not require it. So if I wanted to fill out the answer for how are food chains like food webs, I go over here to this note section. It has a pencil. I'm going to click on it. And then this blue add note, click on that. And then, or I could double click what I want to highlight. And I would type in my answer, food chains, because I'm responding in complete sentences in this case, are like food webs, in that a food web is made up of several food chains that overlap in one way or another. Meaning they could have like a shared producer, a shared herbivore, shared carnivore, shared, other kinds of consumers, an omnivore, whatnot. So that would be my answer to that. And I click save. And I go on, and what I grade is sum it up as well as the brain check. So how I'd make sure to read my directions. It says match the words in column A to their definitions in column B. So again, I go to the notes section. I could either double click on the word and add note. And then, so mine for number 1, blank scavenger. So I'm going to look at column B, and I would see model that shows that all feeding relationships in an ecosystem. No, that's not a scavenger. Eats other animals. Maybe. Eats only plants. B, eats dead animals and plants. E, eats both plants and animals. So the answer to 1 would be D. And that's all I would have to put. If I really wanted to, I would write that a scavenger eats dead animals and plants. But I do require, if for this case it's A, B, C, D, E, I require at least the letter. If you want to write it out, that's even more awesome. So anyways, and then if I want, then I'm going to move on to question number 2, and I would write my answer here. So write your answer here. And always make sure to save, okay? Because like let's say you need a pause in the middle of it, save, it will not hold on to your work for you. Okay, so hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know.